Hello and welcome back to Research Circle. So, the topic for today's discussion is how to find legal services that match your business needs and budget. So, when you start a business, there are plenty of things that you have to make sure of. So, one such important factor is to how to have a legal service provider. So, when any legal issues emerges, your legal service provider will protect you and your company. So it is crucial to find the best legalities that can fit your business necessities and budget. So are you in the search of best legal service provider that is best for your companies and company's recruitment requirements and budget? So if yes, then we'll discuss in this particular video. So let's get started. Now the first thing here is find the best legal services that match your business and needs and the budget as well. So in the following section we will discuss the detailed information which can help you to select the best legal services service provider ideal for your enterprise's necessities and budget. Now the first thing here is understand your legal problem. So if you want to select a legal firm, the first and the foremost thing is to specify the problem or the trouble your business is encountering. There are different types of legal firms that specialized in the certain aspects. Hence, after understanding the problem, you can determine what kind of legal firms you need. Okay. The next one is consider choosing the legal firm that has the right experience. Another factor that helps you to choose the right legal firm for your business is the experience of that law company. Of course, everyone wants to select the legal firm that has tremendous success record. Hence, it is recommended to check whether the legal firm has the right experience or not. While examining the experience of the firm, it is better to consider the total cases the firm has solved, duration of the service, location, certain specialties and many more. So you can check these details on the official website of that particular legal firm. Now the next thing is consider the professionalism of that firm. Now professionalism is not only limited to the personality of the advocate. However, professionalism includes a specific objective efforts and attitude which will highlight the best legal advisors. The firm or the law firm should be enthusiastic about dealing with your company's issues, make proper communication, stay in contact, follow morals and ethics, and arrive at the meeting on the time when being prepared. Okay. Now the next point is a size of the legal firm. Depending on the size of your business, you need to choose a law firm. If you are a startup company, it is better to select a small scale law firm that has one or two advocates or legal advisor. In case of massive corporates, you can choose a large legal firms and sufficient number of legal advisors or advocates. Besides that, the nature of your business is another component that determines the size of legal firm. Okay. Now the next thing, make sure that your legal firm's approach matches with your business. Not all the legal firms have a similar approach. Like we said previously, numerous firms retain different professionalism and various strategies to portray their client. Hence, it is necessary to select a legal firm with a similar approach that can go well with your business. Okay. The next one is select the legal firm familiar with your business religion. Based on the type of problem with your business, you can either select a regional or a national legal firm regardless of the reason. It is often best to choose the legal firm that is present in your business region. Even if you select a law firm from other provisions, you can stay in touch using the modern technology like video call, etc. The next one is check the references on the legal firm. You need to evaluate the legal firm's references or read the reviews of the previous clients. By doing that, you can understand whether the legal firm can solve your issues or not. Some legal firm will only provide the best references and hide the bad rated one. Thus, rather than asking the firm, you can search for online reviews of prior customer. Now the next one is fixing the budget. Now budget is definitely one of the important aspect while choosing a legal firm. So if you want, you can inquire about the legal firm's billing methods and process. Make sure to select the law firm which can only be afforded by your business. Some law firms can give you a discount on the total price if you are going to maintain a long-term association with the sufficient volume of work. So budget is another issue here. So while concluding, I would like to say from this information it is clear that choosing the best legal services that fit your business requirements and budget is a vital responsibility. So keeping in mind all above critical things, it will be easy to find you to select a budget friendly legal firm for your company or a business. So I guess that's it for today's video. So thank you so much for watching, and do subscribe to Research Circle channel, and take care of yourself. Thank you so much.